Welcome to our educational video on the narrative approach in qualitative research. The narrative approach is a powerful method used to understand human experiences. It involves collecting and analyzing stories to gain insights into people's lives. Now, let's explore when to use the narrative approach in research. One scenario is when you want to understand personal experiences and emotions. Another scenario is when you want to explore the impact of certain events on individuals. Now, let's dive into real-life examples using sky jumping stories. We interviewed individuals who have experienced the thrill of sky jumping. Their stories showcase the power of the narrative approach in capturing unique perspectives. Through analysis, we can uncover common themes and patterns in these stories. In conclusion, the narrative approach offers valuable insights into human experiences. Dr. Philip Adu, a methodology expert at the Center for Research Methods Consulting, has curated this video.